Hi there, welcome to another video. This is eMachines, part 9 at this point. So, you might see that this is the eMachines board. I rigged up a test bench here, and this is basically it. So, it has the RAM and everything. The only thing is I've taken out this modem card because I don't need it to function. Everything else is debatable on whether or not I need it. So I have identified a problem with the board. So I actually went over all the pins I possibly could and basically just reactivated them. AKA I put the soldering iron up to them and remelted them. So I encountered something with it, and it's very interesting as, well, I found a bypass originally that did this, but the bypass stopped working. So I undid the bypass, which was literally just putting things across the pins that are basically going to be right here, on pin 5, down here, on this rail, and pin 6 on this one, or 4 and 5, or 5 and 6. But basically, after I did that, I found something out. The bypass did something, and that didn't happen before. Also, I found out the light up here will also now turn on, as you can see right there. Both of them are turning on, but the fan doesn't. However, if you put it in a certain position, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it right now, there is something, as you can see there, it briefly spins up. And there is one very specific position in which everything works. But yeah, that basically indicates something is wrong with either the pin connector, which I have confirmed to be working, so it's not that, or it has something to do with this and its loose traces. So we're going to first clean this out with isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just going to disconnect it from the test bench I rigged up, which consists of a 150 watt compact power supply in a cardboard box. But yeah. But yeah, that basically covers that. And there's obviously stuff in there. But yeah, that's fun. So yeah. So I'm going to take this, and basically we're going to douse the 20 pin connector in isopropyl alcohol, and then I'll explain some of the other things I have over here, or around here. Okay, so this is a soldering pump, which I recently just learned how to use. It's basically just pump down, put it up to here, and that. It uses a vacuum pretty much to suck up things. This is a USB, which I actually use to keep this pin in line, or since it's coming out, don't need it right now. And then I have serial connectors, which I still don't know why exactly we have so many of them. Like, we just have a whole lot of them. Don't know why. But that basically covers everything. The CPU, the fan, and basically everything works. This RAM works, I confirmed that. The CMOS battery doesn't work. I don't actually know how to confirm that. But I also found this. It is a Rosewell speed controller going to a Rosewell fan I have over there that's currently in my Phenom setup. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using just to try and test these things. Although this already goes at full tilt anyways. So first of all, we have some isopropyl alcohol, and down over here we have a brush. So this is 91% isopropyl alcohol. We're going to take that and basically just put it there. Don't need too much. We're just cleaning off pins right now. And basically do this enough, and it should be good. Of course, if your brush is also filthy, that won't help you. So I'm just going to basically just clean these pins. So something up here makes them work, something down there doesn't. So that's why a toothbrush is ideal, since it basically can cover that entire area. Now this floppy is also broken. It's missing a pin or two. Someone just tried to jam an IDE thing in there, I think. Or mini IDE, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just basically going to be brushing up all these connectors. In the process, I might as well do other things, but oh well. We're just going to clean up this RAM. To be fair, this is actually the first time I've actually tried to clean this up. So I'm also going to clean up this 4-pin over here, the CPU. To be fair, also to me, that doesn't do anything, at least for me right now. I don't know why, but it just doesn't have an effect. But yeah, PCI I'm not going to bother with. It doesn't do much for me anyway, since I'm just going to be running the spare bones. Also, since I'm recording this, the gateway's GPU has died. Maybe due to something about me sending power to it wrong. But yeah, it's dead until it gets working again. But the like 6, 7, 9-month-old dead connector that's the dead GPU and that's built into the well, the Pentium machine. Yeah, that all of a sudden started working really just hours after the GPU from the gateway died. So I could put the Pentium's GPU into the gateway, which I have done before, and it works. And run the Pentium off of its internal graphics, which, to be fair, are not good. But, oh well, this one does it. What's wrong? Sue me. So I'm just going to be cleaning all this up. And hopefully that should be good. But, of course, not everything's going to be perfect. Actually, I'm going to clean up these front pins as well. And I might as well do that. Okay! And, well, alright. Oh, that's gunky water. But, oh well. We can also just clean off the bottom bit right now as well. Just nice brushing. Make some happy little accidents. But yeah, since we now have isopropyl alcohol here, yeah, that's dirty isopropyl. To be fair, I'm not exactly helping things with my situation. I'm doing this stuff in, but we're just going to continue putting this stuff in here, and we're just going to let that soak overnight. However, you might criticize me for not doing this, but I guess we can clean off the power supplies. But yeah, this has just been an all-day project, and I can't help anything. So going over here, we have my setup, which consists of a not working hard drive, a not working floppy drive, and a working power supply, which this is only 150 watts, but it is okay since the best tech power supply, which is over there, was 146, and that's what originally came with this E-Machines. So it obviously has everything connected already. I don't exactly care much for that, but we're just going to clean off this 20-pin connector as well, just to make our due diligence done. Of course, we're going to let this clean off as well. Also, this thing probably needs some lubrication on itself, just because it's really hard to detach and unattach. It's just due diligence, but oh well. And then, since these are the connectors we're going to actually be using, since the other ones are inside and internal, we're just going to clean these off as well. It's just best practice. I don't follow my best practices sometimes, but yeah. Oh well. So those are all clean now. And yeah, that's basically that. So, this has been fun. But I gotta go now. So, have fun